Hello all. Today I'm going to explain you on the strings. So this is very important chapter. So now I'm created a file strings ipynb file. So let me start. So s is equal to double quotes Sujay. Example. I'll run it. So allowing it to run for some time. So I'm connecting it to the Python 3.4. So I'll give it as type yes. So this is a string for double quotes. So s is equal to, I'll put it as single quote Sujay, example. So I will give it as type of s as string. So this is also a string. So let me take another example, s1. So quote don't. So I will wrap it up with the single quote. Then I'm typing it. So this is giving me an error, unterminated t string literal. So I will just change that. S1 is equal to double quote DONT and don't. So I'll put it as type of S1. We'll see it as a string. So this is a string. So example, S is equal to company. So here basically this will internally assign the, automatically it will assign the indexes for this. So example, let me just show you in this. S is equal to, example, so company. So this will automatically will assign the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will be -1, -2, -3. So this is the forward propagation and this is the backward propagation. So let me come to the VS Code. So we'll check the indexing part. So C is the 0th index. So I will just call 0 S of 0. So this is the first index. So if I put it as S of -1, okay, this is the -1 as you see over here. Next, for if example S of 100, so you'll get an error like string index is out of range. So we have only the range of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me repeat, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, 7. So let me go to the slicing concept now. So S of 1, it is O. So basically this is the O. Okay. So next is S of 0 plus S of 1. It gives CO. So example, S of 0 is C, S of 1 is 1. So 0 plus 1. So it is CO. For example, we want only the CO. Let me check. We have another method. We can do it. And this is the start point. And sorry, this is the starting point 0. So this will always in the forward propagation 0, 1. So this is the starting point, hash, colon, and 2. Ending, this is the end point. So CO, we got this CO. No, we want up till 3. So next we are going as starting point is 0, up to 3 we need. So we need, so this is what it says, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will go up till 4, 4 minus 1, 3. COM. Next is 0, 100. So here it is giving us company. See, basically this is the main difference. For indexing, it will give it as an out of range, as whereas in slicing, this will take, it will go up till 100 and there is no data after 7. So it will take the entire thing only for the company. If you want example as, let me give you another example of S of 0, 3 and step size. So this is the start point, end point, and this is a jump. We call it as step. So CM. So we need a step of 2 here. So basically, how does it go? So this is the thing, 0. It takes C. So this will go up till 3 and 4, 4 minus 1, 2, and this will take a jump of 0, 1, 2, this one, 0, 1, 2, this one, and this will go in the forward propagation and it will come in the negative propagation, like backward propagation. So this is the thing. So example, S is equal to, I will give it as so month example. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So like I will give it as S of starting point of 0 and 4. You can give it as -1 if you want to see. So this is a no data is given. So basically, like how this goes about it. So this will start from 0 and this will go up to the positive side 4, and this is a -1. So there is a conflict in this and no data will be displayed. Example, this is the one. Example, I will show the scaling concept. How does this work? So this is 0, 1, 2, example 3. So this side is -1, -2. So this is the, it will start from 0, it will go up till 4, and if it is -1, it will go here, and there is a conflict. So this will throw an empty, no data will be there for this. So the another one will take it. If we want to print this Sumant in the reverse order, let me do it for you. -1. So this is the thing in the reverse order, -1. So if we are going in, starting point is 8, -10, so this is the other type of thing. So let me go to the inbuilt function here. S2 is equal to company index example. So I will get it as S1 dot upper. Sorry, S1 dot upper. So everything will be in, sorry, S2 dot upper. Let me give it as S2 dot upper. So everything like company index written in the lowercase, so everything will be converted to the upper case. So if I go it as S1 dot lower, S2 dot lower, sorry. So everything will be in lowercase. If I do the item assignment, example S1 is equal to S1 dot upper S2 dot, sorry, S2 dot upper. So everything will be in the smaller case. Next we'll go to example, we'll move on to another thing. S2 is equal to Sumant Kumar. Example, I'll just run this. s2 dot capitalize. So this is an inbuilt function. So S is capital and K is capital. Only the S is capital here. Next S dot title. Sorry, S2 dot title. You can see here. S is capital, K is capital. Next S2 dot swap case. So this is a smaller thing. Next, if it is S is equal S dot case fold. So this will S2 dot case fold, then this will normalize the data to the original form. Example is S is equal to XYZ is a edutech company. S is equal to X is an edutech company. So if you want to find S dot find, so how many times E will be occurring? So 9 times is the E. Next, S dot find ED. This is a substring. S dot find X Y X. X Y. So XYX is a 0 thing. S dot index again it is 9 times. S dot index XYZ. So this is not found. S dot count. So E is 2 times. S dot count. ED 1 time. S dot count. So 0 times. So another thing is S is equal to company 3. Let me give the example. So S dot is alpha false. Next, s dot is alpha num is alpha num pha alpha num. Okay. Okay, sorry. Is alpha num. Okay. Let me take you to immutability and entering. Immutability. So S is equal to S3 is equal to company. So ID of S3. So this is the ID of S3 which will update. This is the address for the memory address. Next, here I will modify is equal to S plus tech tech. So modify company tech. Okay, company 3 tech. Modify, sorry. So modify S3. Company tech. So if you check the ID of modify. So here the ID of S3 is different and ID of modify is different. So both addresses have the different thing. So example, we'll go to another example. A is equal to Sumant and B is equal to Sumant. So let me check ID of A. ID of A is this one. ID of B. So this is both the same. So duplicate data it will not be allocating to the different memory due to the memory optimized use of the memory thing in Python. So next is the entering. Sorry for spelling mistake if it is wrong. A of 0. So this is wrong. Example, let me take you another example for this. So next is entering D is equal to Kumar plus Suresh. Okay. So id of d, id of d, this one, id of e, is all not defined for this. So let me go to the escape characters now. So print example, my name is Sumant and I teach AI. Example. My name is Sumant and I teach AI. If example, if I'm adding slash n over here, so this will break here. My name is and Sumant and teach AI. So similarly, if I'm adding a t slash t over here, let me run again. So this will be giving as a tab here. Okay. This is everything on the Unicode thing. Sorry, it is on the escape characters. Next is on the Unicode. So if you're developing something, so you want anything like an emoji or something like that, you can use this as an emoji. Example, print. So this is the emoji. You can use it in by just searching in Google for emojis. Next. Next is the name Unicode. We'll go to name Unicode, print slash in Greek capital letter delta. So this is the Unicode for delta. Next, print slash in snowman. Example. Sorry, just a minute. Snowman slash n. So there is an issue here. So let me correct that print. So this was new line, name Unicode. So next is the multi-line string. So example, my name is Sumant. I used to teach AI and ML and DL and also on SAP concepts. So if this is a multi-line string, so if you are giving it an example in a double quote, like let me change this. So even this is working here. So you can also do like this, like slash news slash this is the one. So next is we can also parameterize the thing. Example, name is equal to input, enter the name. Next, age, int, input. We can also hard code it. Enter the age. Company. So input, enter the company name. So enter name is Sumant. I will give it as 25. Enter XYZ. So if you want to print this example, like print, if is basically a format string you can use, and this is also one of the type. and company. Okay. So we can also parameterize here. So is it. So thank you for watching. This is all about the string concept.